Oi, what are you eating? Moira. Okay, and I haven't been very good at filming recently, but we're going back to the Peak District. I'm just taking Moira for a trot before we get in the car, dropping off ballot papers because we're away when the election is, and I'll keep you updated. God, enjoy. Hello everyone, it is Sunday on our trip to the Peak District. This time we are here in June. It's still June, yeah. It's the last day of June. It's July tomorrow, which is insane. And it's also like kind of miserable weather-wise here, which my mum and I were saying is not the worst thing because if it's too hot, we can't really take Moira with us because it's not fair on the dogs to take them out when it's that hot. It's not good for them, so yeah, it's just as well. But we're basically at Sainsbury's right now. My mum's gone in to get some extra bits because we're actually here for a week this time instead of 5 nights. Hay fever go crazy. My mum's got it a lot worse than I do, but yeah, the pollen is crazy. Considering it's not like hot or anything or like sunny. We're back in the Peak District. We're staying at the same place we did last time, but we're just hoping to explore some different areas. This time I don't have any essays to write. That is awesome. So I don't have that in the back of my mind this time. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so happy to be here. I hope this vlog is a little bit more coherent compared to the last one. I kind of didn't, I don't know, I filmed very randomly in the last one. Which is like what all of my videos are like, but maybe this one will be a bit better. But yeah, my mum and I drove up yesterday. It was a long drive. I really need to learn how to drive automatic and how to drive my mum's car. Or even like drive on the motorway, because I haven't done that yet, even though I've had my licence for like a year and I live near a lot of motorways. I just haven't driven on the motorway. It scares me a little bit, I can't lie, but I know it'll be fine, but yeah, I kind of really need to get on that because having to do the whole drive it's a long drive. It was around like 5 hours to get here from the south, so yeah, it definitely took its time, but the place we're staying is so nice and I'm just really hoping it's a good week with my mum. And look at how crazy this view in a Sainsbury's car park is. Like, hello. Like, people would just have this on their doorstep. And I know people probably that don't live by the beach or live by cliffs and stuff probably think the same about where we live, but I don't know, it's pretty awesome. I assume we're in a gorge or something then? I don't know. But yes, very excited to be here. Excited for a little break from reality, from home, even though like I've got a job finally. I don't know if I said that, so I am working, but not like, just like a couple of days a week, which I'm super happy with. So that's like my new reality, but apart from that, like really not doing loads. But at the same time I feel like I am, but I'm really not. So when I say like break from reality, it's not like my life has been hard recently, because it really hasn't. Just kind of a break from home, a change of scenery. I'm really missing Norwich, so I think it's nice to kind of just be away. So yeah, very excited, very happy to be here, and I hope you enjoy the video. I always have so many clips of Moira just dragging us. How was the Sainsbury's shop?
Very big.
Ended up getting a lot of stuff.
Yeah, lots of goodies.
Lots of goodies for a well-fed week.
Yeah. got cheese, so you can have cheese and crackers.
Ooh,
That
nice.
wasn't on your list.
No, it wasn't on my list. That's a good point. We did go the wrong way. That was my fault, as usual, but we're back on track. I guess so, because that's the one that... I can't even imagine that being your view from the old bedroom window. Mad. Oh my god.
Glacial erosion.
I guess so. The ducks love us. Thoughts?
Second waterfall.
Second waterfall.
You go down there, I guess you see it more.
Yeah. What are your thoughts on this one?
No? Much bigger.
Yeah, there's like no one here as well.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome. Go on. Go on. Rain's quite nice.